Hey everyone, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have sleep patches. If you're like me and don't ever sleep, well, maybe this will help. So let's see if we can open this up here. I'll show you guys what they look like. I'm not going to sleep just yet, but okay, so we got a whole plethora of them here. There's a bunch of them here. It looks like on some of these, this one, is it, oh, I guess they're just all individual ones. So you get a whole ton of them here. Let's see, these are the sleep patches. And the way it'll work is you'll just put these on. It has new upgraded rare ingredients, upgraded for extra strength. And so it looks like you can just put them on anywhere you want, up here, on your leg, wherever. And it's for external use. Don't use it for pregnant women, I guess, or people who are allergic to it. But let me see, does it say what the, well, it's got some of the ingredients on it in here. If you wanted to try to read that stuff, you could probably pause it and zoom in. But it says 30 minutes to an hour before bedtime, open the package and put it on. So I'll try it tonight and stuff and see. I don't usually have too much of a hard time sleeping, so I'll probably fall asleep anyway. But these things should be good. I heard they were good. And so these are for somebody I'm with. So we will see how they can sleep, see if they sleep any better with it. But should be good. I like these kind of things. So these are good. I've had them before, so I know they work for them. So thumbs up.